My role is a teacher at Kangan Institute at Ravenhall Correctional Centre, and I do Certificate 2 in cleaning operations, and I also fill in for OH&S as well. In my experience, I understand the sentiment that people are a little bit reticent or afraid of teaching in a correctional centre. I felt the same way at the beginning. But when I walked through the security and into the actual facility itself, funnily enough, it didn't feel like a prison to me. When you're training, you're in actual training rooms. You've got trainers in the next door rooms as well, doing their training. You actually get a duress button that if you are in trouble, you can press the button and you'll have officers around you. You know, it's a pretty safe environment. I found the students in the prison not much different to students not in the prison system. By and large, the ones that come to my class, and probably all classes, want to be there. Basically, it was like training people that I'd been training before, not in jail, but these ones, the only difference was they were in jail. But they're still people like everyone else. But by and large, like I said, it's probably the best job I've ever had. And when I go to work, I don't even think of it as going to work in a prison. My advice for anyone that's considering teaching in a facility, do it. There is no reason why you shouldn't. Work conditions are very good, you feel safe all the time. The teaching staff you work with are very, very good to work with. And now I don't feel as if I'm, like I said before, as if I'm going to teach in a prison. I just feel like I'm going to teach students.